Hey TikTok creators, want to stay ahead of the curve? Today I'll show you how to use TikTok trend discovery tools to find what's going viral before it blows up. Let's dive in. First, go to the trends section. Go and search the TikTok Creative Center in Google. You'll see the trending songs, hashtags, creators, and videos. Filter by country or category to find what's your niche. Then here, trend discovery on the TikTok app. Tap the search icon, then scroll through the trending now section. You'll find the popular effects, keywords, and sounds used today. Then, third-party sites like TrendTalk, Tookboard, and more. These tools show a trending data, sound growth charts, and even predictions. Great for strategy planning. Then follow the trend watchers on TikTok like this. Then they are the one who will break down the trends as they happen. And that's how you use the TikTok trend discovery tools like a pro. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more creator tips. Thanks for watching.